Access your free language gifts right now, before they expire. Here's what you're getting this month. First, can you talk about your feelings? You'll be able to with the brand new Feelings PDF conversation cheat sheet. You'll learn all the must-know emotions in your target language. Second, if you love to eat, then you'll love this. The brand new Food Words and Phrases PDF ebook. Learn to talk about food with this PDF. Download it for free right now. Third, the 50 most common nouns that all beginners should know. Do you know all of these nouns? If not, this lesson will teach you the 50 must-know nouns fast. Learn them effortlessly with the audio slideshow tool inside. Fourth, learn how to fill out forms in your target language. This 1-minute lesson teaches you all of the words you'll see on administrative forms. Fifth, want the best language learning app? Download Innovative Language 101 for free for the Android, iPhone, and iPad. You'll learn language fast and start speaking in minutes because the audio and video lessons are just 3 to 15 minutes long. And finally, the deal of the month. If you want to learn the language in 6 months with lessons by real teachers and our complete language learning program, then get up to 45% off 6-month Premium or Premium Plus with the 6-month Challenge Sale. To get your gifts and language learning resources, click the link in the lesson description below. Download them right now before they expire.